Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix login error, unknown error, error code 220 in Marvel Rivals. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to check Marvel Rivals server status. This is not a fix, just you have to check the server status. So what you have to do, you have to go to the down detector website and search for Marvel Rivals. You will see that their server is not online. So that's why you are getting the 220 error. So you can also check the Marvel Rivals Twitter website. So if you find that the server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then in such case you have to wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can launch the game and check. Now if their server status is online and still you are getting the error code 220, then second solution is to verify the game files. What you have to do, open Steam, go to library, right click on Marvel Rivals, go to properties, go to install files tab, click on verify integrity of game files, and once the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to reset your internet connection. So in Windows search, type command prompt and select run as administrator, select yes to allow. Now type this code one by one in command prompt and hit enter. This command are just to reset your internet connection. This command are safe to use. Now you have to restart your computer once in order to complete the reset process. So close the command, go to Windows, then click on power menu and select restart. And after the restart, you can launch the game and check error code 220 fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.